We are here on Real Estate in the Lowcountry. Beth Drake with Keller Williams is here, and we're going to talk about several listings in just a moment, but let's kind of get a pulse of what the market's doing right now. We have some things floating out there that maybe it's a little bit slow, but maybe not so slow.
That's right. So I think it's kind of the news says, oh, real estate market's slow and prices aren't improving, but that is not true in our market. My team had 16 closings last month in September.
Just in September?
Just in September.
That's
and
amazing.
That is a record. That's more than COVID. So there are people wanting to move to the Lowcountry. It's between Bluffton and Hilton Head is what we cover.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of demand. There's still low inventory in certain parts of the, whether it's Bluffton or on the island.
Yeah.
We list all over, including all the way out to Hilton Head Lakes. And so we know the market.
Right.
And if anyone is out there considering listing their house, we will give them a free market analysis. And it's a great time to go ahead and spruce your house up and get it ready so that it's ready to go live in January.
Okay, so January is kind of
January's
the time
a good
you're
time.
looking for to put
Yeah,
it.
we're starting to get to the end of October, and then the middle of November till the end of December kind of slows down.
Yeah, everybody's busy with the holidays.
They are, unless it's an investment property. A lot of times I find that people need to, they're doing a 1031 or they need to invest some money for the tax benefits that are in place right now.
Yeah.
So other than that though, I just love to talk and give them a price on their house.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Well, let's talk about some houses that you do have listed right now.
Yeah, this is a great one. This is located in the small gated community of Carolina Isles. That's in the north end of the island, so it's close to schools. It's also easy on and off to the island for people that work in Bluffton or Savannah. It's priced at $639, and you can see from the photos, it's just immaculate. The homeowner had a job change, so she was not doing this to flip the house or anything. They live there, and you can see from the beautiful bathroom, the floors, the kitchen. It's just move-in ready. We've got one photo that you're seeing online that's virtually staged because she has moved out.
Okay.
But for Carolina Isles, where so many of the backyards are very small, this one has a gracious backyard.
Nice.
It's completely, it's fenced in, so if you have a pet or a dog, it's wonderful. You can bike to the restaurants on Skull Creek. You can bike to the pickleball center off of 278.
Perfect.
It's just move-in ready, so we would love to show it to someone to make it their home.
Yeah, very nice, very nice.
And it's, I think I said it's priced at $639, so it's a great price.
It is a great price point.
Yeah. And then another new listing that we just put on is in Forest Beach. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome.
Okay.
They recently put in all new luxury vinyl flooring throughout the entire place.
Nice.
And Betsy, for anyone that's considering renting or being close to the beach, this is a maintenance-free floor.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That sand just wipes right off.
I know. And the cool thing about this complex is that you can have pets, but your renters can have pets too.
Oh, that's nice.
So there's very few complexes where renters can bring in pets in condos.
Yeah.
And this just, if someone wants to supplement it and it's their second home and not their primary, although several people do live there full time, they can short-term rent it, and it's just easy to maintain.
And you mentioned before we started filming, they don't come on the market that often.
They don't.
So.
They don't. The last one that we listed, it went under contract in less than 7 days.
Okay.
And this is priced under $500. It's $499.5. Comes fully furnished. It's already on the short-term rental market, so it's ready to go.
Excellent.
And Betsy, while we're talking about the short-term rental market,
yes,
you've probably heard the news.
There's been lots of news, lots
There's
of
been
talk.
So much misinformation.
Yes.
And so since so much of our business as realtors is in short-term rentals on the island, if you're selling something, I went to the meeting yesterday. The entire island, the majority of everybody is for short-term rentals.
Yes.
In fact, one of the council ladies, Councilman, Tamika, I can't think of her name, but she said, well, doesn't everybody here want a residential community and not a resort? And the whole court or the whole room erupted. No, we want our island to be a resort. Yeah. And then she said, well, if you're residents, would you think that? And then everybody yelled out, we are residents. So for anybody watching, this island, we love tourists. We'd love you to enjoy our island, and that's what we're all about.
Yeah. Well, thank you for clarifying that because
You're
I think
welcome.
that's really important. So short-term rentals aren't
you
going
can tell I'm
anywhere.
adamant about this.
Absolutely. But if
Yeah.
anybody wants to see those listings you just talked to us about, how do they get to you?
Yeah, just give me a call at 843-422-7500, and I'd be glad to help.
Well, Beth, thank you so much for all of that great information.
Okay, thanks.